the first fish on. First strike of the day. Struggle to catch the fish since get bad weather today. Small one. With the pliers.
Yeah. Woo. Not bad, eh?
Yeah, but it's a bit under. Yep. Tommy's on. We change some tactics. We try bottom fishing.
Double hook up. The double hook up. What was that?
It's like a big fish coming.
The big one, huh? It's not the line. It's not the line, man.
I'm still on.
Woo. Yes. Yeah, mate. Tako, tako. Nice one, Jerry. Hang on, mate.
Finally.
Nice one, Jerry. Woo. Yes, Jerry. Woohoo! Look at that. Okay, Woo. Look at that. Woo. They're massive, mate. Oh, tuna, baby! Tuna, baby! Yeah. Ah! Yes!
Finally.
Oh, good night.
Finally.
Not bad. Not bad, Jerry.
Tuna in a storm.
Good job, Jerry. Yeah, okay, hindi wala ka pan.
Tuna in a storm.
Good
Baby.
job, Jerry.
Whew, it's a big one.
Hang on.
Finally!
Show me a fish, mate. That's a
It's
good one.
a tuna in a storm. Oh my God! You see
Look at the
weather?
winner!
See
Look at the
weather?
winner! Ooh, it's raining. Look at that.
Look at that. That's my first fish of the day. First fish
Oh,
of the day. We
All
trolled
right.
up, we tried trolling, we tried bottom, and
Yeah.
finally I landed a tuna.
Maybe around 5 kilos, Jerry, you reckon?
Yeah, around 5 kilos. It's huge.
Huge one, eh?
It's huge.
All right,
Just want to
mate.
say hi to Michael Lawrence and his girlfriend Sarah, and hi to Julius Balvaneda and his office mates who are always watching Fish and Pinoy.
Woo!
Thank you guys.
We have
Woo,
a
love you all.
what a day, eh? All right, check in the box, mate. Woo. Ah. Woo. Unfortunately, I lose my fish, but here you got another one. Look at these tunas biting in a storm weather. Look at that. Woo. You can't even see the sun. Eh? How was that, Jerry? Heavy?
Not heavy as the other one, but
Oh, hang on, mate. Oh,
another tuna. It's
bonito. You reckon you can? Yeah, baby. Yeah, mate. Woo! What a day, eh? Right? All right. Woo!
It's a bit smaller, but not bad. Still catching fish, even though there's a storm.
Here you go, Jerry.
Come on, let's get some more,
Mate.
Tommy. Come on. Trolling again.
Oh, good.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I
mate.
got 3.
Good on you, mate.
Yep, thanks. Tommy's turn.
My turn. My turn, baby. Look at that. Close my yes! Look at the line.
Good,
Look at the line. Woo!
good.
Must be the angry fish again, eh? Look at the line.
It's another tuna.
Oh, I lost it! I lost it! Woo! I lost it! Woo! Ah!
Yep, Tommy's on.
Ah! Hey, mate. Oh, this is it, mate. Love it. Yeah, mate. I mean, look at that weather. Ah.
Yeah, look at that wave. Almost there, Tommy. How far is it?
Ah! Woo! Tuna, mate. Might be a tuna.
John West. Oh, yes.
Ah, tuna, mate. Yeah, baby, tuna, mate.
Bonita. It's a
Come on,
bonito.
it's bonito. Not bad, eh?
Just lift it up, Tom. It's alright. Oh, no.
It hooks in the...
Come here, boy. Come, boy. Come here, boy. Yes. Good boy.
Woo! Not bad. Woo!
Ah, nice one.
Yeah, baby.
Wanna say something, Tommy?
Eh?
Wanna say something?
I'd like to thanks for my brother Jerry.
That's it. And a bin. Look at
Yeah,
that.
there you go,
Woo! let's get some more, baby.
I have to get another tuna to match your one, you know.
and get another bonito.
I want more bigger than yours, mate. At the end of the day, it's not about a competition, you know. We're having fun. It's good. That's all right, mate. Oh, lovely, mate. Woo! Come down, buddy. Yes.
Strike 2 for Tommy.
Look at this bad boy. Yeah, baby. Lovely, eh? All right. Gonna give another go. Yeah.
Yep.
Good today, mate.
Another bonito.
You reckon?
Yep. They don't fight hard as the tuna. Tuna?
A tuna, mate.
Yeah, boy.
But not as big as yours. But oh, look at that! It's taking my lung.
See, Tommy is a happy man. You want the net?
Oh, it's alright, mate.
Let's pull it up.
Don't go to the engine, mate. Oh no, no, no! Oh no! He's hungry now. He's angry now. Maybe that boy just realized that he's hooked up already. He's not that angry before. He's not that angry before.
Ooh, it's a big one as well. All right, you can pull it out, Tommy. You got a good hook.
Woo! Yes! Oh, happy man.
Yes. Biggest mine.
Yeah. But it's gonna match with that. With your number, G, that's alright. Yours more bigger. Hey,
And you got 3 already.
look at that. Woo! That's massive, eh? Mwah! Let it go, man.
Yep.
Alright! Look at that. Yours more bigger than mine.
That's fine. Let's get some more.
Give it another go, mate.
Yep. Another run. Looks like the bonito loves my lure.
Ah, it's a heavy one, mate. Oh, look at that. Angry fish.
You don't like my lure.
Oh, I love you, Jerry. Woo. Come on, buddy. No, don't come soft, don't come soft, mate. Now the tuna!
Tuna, baby.
Tuna,
Woo.
Woo, look at that.
Grabbing the tail, Tommy. Grabbing the tail.
That's alright, mate. Not going anywhere, bro.
Woo. Big one.
That's a big one. That's a big,
Big one. Woo.
Look at that. All right. Look at that one. Happy fish.
Big tuna.
Happy day, eh?
6 kilograms, you reckon?
All right. Oh, yeah. I'm sorry, mate. That's one a bit bigger than yours.
It's fine, I got a share in your fish.
Where's it?
Where's the bag? Yeah.
Ah.
They're getting bigger, Tommy.
Jerry, sorry mate, gonna chuck this one back.
Yep.
Wow! There
Whoa,
you
look at the
go.
iski.
There you go. No space now, bro. Like... Another one! Oh, double hook up! This is lovely. Yes! 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 Woo! Ah, come on! Ah, lovely, mate. Oh God, you're all good. Oh, the tuna! No, you got bonito. You got bonito. Same as mine, maybe. Same as mine. Oh yeah, bonito, mate.
Yep.
Ah, that eye. Woo!
Oh, good.
Oh, good, bad.
Just want to show my fish.
I know yours were bigger.
You want a kiss?
Yeah! Oh, come on. Oh, look at mine. All right.
iski.
What a day, eh? Woo, woo, look at that, buddy. Oh.
I have a fish on.
Yeah! Double hook up, mate. Double hook up, mate. Woo. Tingnan, Jerry.
Tuna.
Is it tuna?
Yeah.
Wow! Look at that!
Jumping.
Wow! Look at that!
Tuna is jumping. Not a happy tuna. Is that a
Woo!
happy tuna? Quite heavy.
Wow! Hang on, mate. Hang on, mate.
Just pull it out, Tommy.
All right. Woo! That's a big one. Living in a dream, right?
Open the box, mate!
Open the bag! Look at that! Woo! Far out! Oh. All right, give it another go, Jerry. You reckon? You reckon? Or are you gonna stay here for a spot, mate?
Yeah, we try the bottom now.
All right, no worries. Stay. All right, this is what we have here, mate. Our catch for today, enough to feed our family for a couple of weeks, Jerry.
Yep.
Yeah, look at
Hey,
that.
boy.
That's massive, eh?
Four tunas.
We have fun day today. Oh, still more in the bottom.
Yeah, we still
Oh.
keep some bonitos.
Bonito. So we got like 4 tuna and 5 bonitos, right?
Yeah,
Not
man.
bad, eh?
Yeah, it's good.
All
Even
right.
though we struggle to catch in the morning because of the bad weather, but still we get lucky to land the fish.
Yeah, and look at that. I think we're gonna hit the road now, Jerry. Head home, eh? Enough for today.
Yep. Let's do this next week.
I'm fine today, mate. I'm firing today. All right. Have a good one.
See you next time.